Welcome back. Well, it looks like we got a nice couple of days ahead of us before we see some clouds coming in Wednesday, Thursday. Question is, are we going to see any cloud cover late Thursday night, early Friday morning? We have a lunar eclipse showing up. And after that, maybe a severe weather threat as we head into the weekend. More on that in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look at the big picture of the water vapor imagery as we look at the upper level features that are dominating our weather right now. We're under the influence of Mr. H off to our west of us over by Houston, H-Town right here. That's going to be sliding eastward with time. This upper level disturbance is going to be a troublemaker in the west in the form of snow and could eventually be a little bit of a weather maker, mainly north of us Wednesday. But this one looks to skirt north of us. But then we're waiting on energy up here by the Aleutian chain. This is going to be Saturday's weather system. Actually, it's going to be a Friday-Saturday system with a severe weather threat in the plains, the high plains Friday, and then moving into the Mississippi Valley, including Louisiana, into Saturday. But the details are still murky on how it's all going to work out and what the timing is going to be. So we see our storm system, the system number 1. This is going to be producing up to 1 to 4 feet of snow in the higher elevations of the Sierra Nevada. Eventually that pushes eastward, but we're being dominated right now by a ridge of high pressure off the Texas coast at the surface and low pressure exiting off the east coast. So nice clear skies setting up for a good view of the International Space Station this evening. Set your phone or watch alarm for 8:22. By 8:24, the space station is going to be nearly overhead. So all you have to do is go out and look straight up and you'll be able to see it. So it appears as a bright star in the sky. It's moving at about 5 miles per second or closer to 17,256 miles per hour. So it is hauling and there are a number of people on board. So wave as it goes by later on this evening. Should have a good view of it. Nice and cool tonight. Temperatures getting down into the mid 40s. That high pressure system begins to push off to the east. So we'll have lighter winds tonight through tomorrow. They'll shift around out of the southwest and get a little breezier tomorrow afternoon, but our temperatures get into the mid 70s. Then as we head into Wednesday morning, we're going to see some cloud cover moving in. It gets a little bit breezier, will be warmer, and then the risk of a shower or thunderstorm mainly to the north of us. This is where there could be a little bit of a marginal severe weather risk. Maybe a shower here Wednesday evening. I got 20% in for Wednesday evening into early Thursday morning, but this front falls apart and we'll be waiting on that next weather system coming in. Here's the cloud cover right around 2 a.m. Friday morning. That's when we're going to have that lunar eclipse. So 60 to 70% sky cover with clouds, we're thinking. Friday afternoon, weather looks good. It's going to be windy, though. And then going into Saturday, the threat of showers and thunderstorms Saturday anytime during the midday into the afternoon and evening hours. Timing still needs to be worked out. And then our Sunday's looking good and cooler once again. For tonight, cool again, but lighter winds, low to mid 40s across Acadiana. Then tomorrow we'll be topping out in the middle 70s, and tomorrow night not as cool. We'll favor the mid 50s. But 45 is going to be your low tonight, at least in Lafayette. So seasonably cool. Normal right around 51 or 52 this time of year. Normal high right around 72. We'll probably beat that tomorrow with lots of sunshine and a breeze out of the southwest in the afternoon. Low end rain chances for the rest of the week. That lunar eclipse right at 1:20. It goes into totality at 1:26 in the morning. Now this graphic might be hard to see, but I also have it posted on my social. Again, it's going to be a bloody worm moon, so it's going to turn red late Thursday night, Friday morning. That's if we don't have cloud cover. And then a stormy Saturday. I got rain chance at 80%, then drier, cooler as we head into Sunday and early next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.